A blank page.
February, week 3, language, 3rd grade, lesson 4, sentence analysis. Like that one? It's a pretty decent sized fish that guy caught, huh? Bigger than anything we've ever caught. But that guy got a much smaller one. You caught a halibut. Oh yeah, those are pretty big. You like that one? I like that one because it looks really peaceful. Maybe. Now this one's an interesting one. It's 2 hermit crabs. You guys like that one?
Different shells.
With 2 different shells.
It's a tie.
It's a tie. We'll put it. Isn't that a funny sign?
Yeah.
It's on a road in Australia.
Is it actually?
No. Somebody was just messing around. A little turtle?
Turtle. Nope.
Tortoise. I'm afraid that it did get some moths over here, though. This one's interesting. I think it's a dog and a... It's 2 dogs, yeah. I thought maybe. But they're watching something that's making them kind of freak out. What are they watching? Yeah. And they're like, oh my. So I kind of think that one's pretty fun. And this one?
No, ew, no.
Yeah, I don't like that one either. He's getting licked all over his face. Yeah, I know. Some people don't mind that. Okay.
He's practically getting pissed.
With these sentences, if the blue dot is at the very beginning, it's the beginning of the sentence, like that. You guys see the blue dot?
Yeah.
Okay. If the blue dot is in the middle, look. Do you guys see the blue dot? Silas, Gideon?
The middle part.
Silas? If the blue dot is in the middle, it's the middle part. And then if the blue dot is at the very end,
It's the end.
then it's the last part, like this one. Okay, so you have to look where the dot is, and then that'll tell you where in the sentence it goes. So each sentence is going to have 3 strips. Well, most of them are. Watch a TV show.
Oh, the dog.
The dog. Sundays.
Tortoise.
The tortoise. To its barefoot owner. That's the one we didn't pick. That guy that was getting licked. 2 old shells.
Ding.
And the dot is at the beginning, so this would be the first part. A slender dog. We didn't pick it. To drivers. To drivers.
Oh,
That's probably this one, right?
yeah.
A huge fish.
Ding.
Crosses the blue ocean. The airplane. A small silver plane.
Ding.
And this sentence looks like it might not have a middle part. To 2 hermit crabs. Okay, but that's the end part, so we are going to have a middle. 2 silly dogs.
Ding.
2 silly dogs watch a TV show. A big yellow sign. Okay. To the lucky fisherman. Brings a happy smile.
The dinosaur.
I think we're right back to the fisherman. A huge fish brings a happy smile to the lucky fisherman. They are both smiling.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to add that. Gave a gentle nuzzle. That's the one we didn't pick. Gage, bring your composition. Provide 2 nice homes. The shells. The lazy turtle. States a funny warning.
That one.
Okay. A big yellow sign states a funny warning to drivers. Okay? So you can see some of these sentences have 3 parts, and some don't. Some only have 2. I'd like to do one of the ones with 3 parts. Let's do, I kind of think this one's fun. 2 old shells provide 2 nice. Oh, you prefer this one?
Yeah.
All right. A big yellow sign states a funny warning to drivers. Silas? Okay, if we look at this, we know the first thing we need to take care of is the verb. What is the verb? Let's read the sentence again. A big yellow sign states a funny warning to drivers.
States.
States. That would get the big red circle. Okay? States. So that's the first one we're going to write.
Yep.
Put it in the middle of a line. Stating something does take energy. How can a sign possibly have energy? I don't know.
Yeah.
For someone to make the words on there, though, used energy, didn't they?
Yep. And for someone to
Put the drinks. And for someone to put it in the room. Next, if you look at this board, it says, who is it that or what is it that is doing the verb? Say the whole noun family. A big yellow sign. That's our subject. The noun family that does the action is the subject. Big black circle on the subject. Notice that the big sister has a friend over, right? We've got 2 adjectives in this noun family, and they are separated by a comma. And we just learned that in the comma key experience yesterday. When you have adjectives in a sequence, more than one, you've got to separate them with commas. Same with nouns in a sequence. Right? So you have to separate big and yellow because they're both adjectives. That's a big black circle. Subject. Almost as big as the verb, with the red circle for the verb. Next, if we look at our template, it says whom or what is being stated. The drivers or the funny warning? The funny warning is the direct object. Okay? So it's going to get a medium-sized black circle. And we're going to write it over here.
Oh, I didn't see that one. I wasn't supposed to.
The root word in funny is fun, which only has 1 N. So how come there's 2 N's? Because we added the suffix E. Yeah, when you add a suffix to a root word that only has 1 guardian consonant, you have to double the guardian consonant. Yeah.
How come they didn't put a capital on the...
They're trying to trick you. There's no... Oh, there is a period. Most of them don't have periods either. They're trying to trick you.
Thank you.
You're going to do your medium black circle. And I think figure out to whom or to what. Yeah, to drivers. So that's going to be our indirect object, and it's going to get a very tiny black circle.
Okay, we're done.
Just FYI, I know you guys have been asking about these orange ones. We're going to be learning about those really soon. I hope you guys are ready. Are you guys feeling pretty comfortable with subject, verb, object, and indirect object?
No.
Yeah.
You still a little like confused about it?
Really hard, but I don't know why.
Hands up if you totally get what a subject is. Okay, good. A subject is somebody that does the action, or something that does the action. And you all know what a verb is. Object is whatever is getting the action done to it. Direct. Okay. Indirect object. It's something's happening indirectly to it. Now, in the one about the dogs watching the TV show, there is no indirect object, right? It's just got a subject, a verb, and an object. See the difference? Nothing's happening indirectly to anything. That one just looks like this. That one's easy.
We can still do that.
There are some that are like that. Yeah, the one about the turtles, I think, was even easier. The lazy
I wanna do
turtles.
this.
Where's Sunday?
We have to do 6.
I don't know where Sunday went. Is it hiding? Is it full?
It's probably over.
Thanks. So here, hand that to me. This one's the easiest one because look, it just has the lazy turtles, which is a subject. Sunbathes is a verb. The lazy turtle sunbathes. No object.
Easy.
That's an intransitive verb. It's not transferring any energy to anything else.
Can we do all the easiest ones?
That one's very easy. And then the one we just did, obviously, is one of the harder ones.
And we have to do 5 more.
It does say you have to do
We always have to do 5
6
more.
altogether, so 5 more, yeah. So some of yours, if you want to pick this one, that's going to be very easy, right? But if you, a lot of them are hard.
I'm just gonna pick everyone I do.